This is not anything sponsored. So let's get into what I've been doing now. I put one on, and if this is something you guys want more in-depth information on, please let me know. So I have these little rings here. Let me flip this around. Those right there. So I have those, and when my recess lights were being cut out, I think that they were moving so freaking fast that they didn't pay attention to precision and making sure that the holes were nicely cut. So when the light was put in, you won't see the excess space of where they cut the hole too big. So I ordered these rings and I was a little hesitant, but I said there's so many spaces, and why not just put them on every one? Like each room has at least 1 or 2 holes that are not cut correctly. So why not just take these? Let me get them so I can show them to you. So why not just take these and put these around the recess, and it actually blocks it and makes it look amazing. If that's the video that y'all want to see, because I did do a couple of them to see how they look, and it actually makes it look more high-end, and it makes it look more cleaner, and you cannot see the hole. So you have all of this space here that will cover up if someone did not cut those holes right. So if that's something you're dealing with, that's something I'm currently doing. And I have each room, I set the number of these rings around in each room, so when I get to it, I just go up and pop the lights out, put these on, and put them back up, and it looks so clean. I'm gonna show you this one real quick. So I decided to actually put everything in this one video. So in this video, you are going to see how I install these. They are so simple, they look so amazing, and this will save you time, money, and energy when you have to go behind some incompetent and rushy contractors slash carpenters. So let's get into the video, and I hope this helps. If it does, talk to me in the comment. Talk back, because this one is done right here by me. I'm going to cut the light off because you can't see it. Oh, look at that, look at that. Now let me show you the difference. You see that space right there? You see the difference? Yeah, we definitely are going to be making them all. Isn't it a big difference between that one and the other one? Look at that. You see that? And then look. See, that's the one that I covered. You see? This is what, that's what we don't want. This is what we do want. My channel, and I am here for not influencing you to buy unnecessary things, not trying to just throw things in your face. If it is beneficial to you, I know as a homeowner, it can be very annoying when you're doing renovations and someone doesn't, like, I don't say, like, they don't take pride in their work, or either they're trying to impress you and they're moving extra fast and they're doing things that's going to cost you money later. These are the videos I want to share with you guys. So that is one thing. And then I'm gonna split up and do another video because I'm sure you guys have the same issue. So when you see the video of me putting them on and showing you how to put them on, you will see the one, you'll see the before and after as a thumbnail with me holding these. So just look forward, just look forward to that video in the very near future. So that's that. I'm sorry I didn't cut the light back on. And y'all, don't even have my windows open. Like my windows, my blinds are literally closed. Like my blinds are literally closed. So these are just some close-ups so you guys can see exactly what they look like, and how we need to fix it, and what it should look like when you're done. So enjoy the video. Hope this is helpful. All right, guys, so this is going to be a video of me showing you how to replace the, not replace, but how to hide the bad cuts that you have in your recess lights with these Goof-proof recess lights hole covers. So I'm going to show you how to do it and how simple it is. So I just made sure that the actual light was off before I do this, and I only have 4 in this room, so we're going to put these 4 up. I'm going to show you one and then the others. So I go in and I feel for the clip. There's a clip inside of these lights. I try to feel for it or look for the clip, and the clip is right here. And I kind of pull it down and push it in. So here's the clip one, and there's the clip on the other side. Sometimes these clips fall off, but it's okay. So you want to go in, untwist this here, and then just pull it apart. It's like a 3-prong thing and just pull it apart. I'm going to be changing the settings on my lights. I want to change them to, I think, more of a soft light. Let me see if I did it. Hold on, because the bright white is just too much, and since I have my fan in here, I get bright light from that, so I don't really need to have these bright as well. Let's see if this changed to a softer white before I put the Goof thingy on. Let's check it out. Definitely much softer. You can see the difference between this one and that one over there. You see the difference in the light is softer. This is what I want. So I'm going to be changing all of them when I take them down. All right, so back to what I'm doing. Let's get this light off. We're going to cut the light off. Hold on, let me cut the light off. Okay, we're going to cut the light off, and then we're going to unscrew and pull that out. Now, you want to take your Goof ring. Now, all you want to do is go and place it underneath, go where the clips are, put this inside like that, and then go under where all the clips are and have the padding. Hold on. The padding, you want to keep the padding where it is, and you want to just push the rings like that. All right, so now we're just going to place this back up there by putting the prongs back together. Make sure I'm doing it right. Hold on. Yep. Okay, and twisting. Push it in and twist this on. And I'm gonna check it to see if it's working, and we know it's on, and then we can put this up. All right, so all we're gonna do is lift these, put your box back in. Your box just sitting in the driveway, just put it back in. Lift your clips up on each side. Stick the clip in first on one side, stick it in on the other side, and voila. You have now covered your holes in your recess that were cut inappropriately. So let me do all of the rest, and I will be right back. Look how ugly that is. So we're gonna fix that one as well. And you can see those, if I zoom in, they're not cut good. You can see negative space in there, just disgusting. So let's get them all on.
So I did speed this up a tad bit, not much, but I wanted you to still be able to see what I'm doing. I love these recess lights because they give you versatility to change the actual colors and the softness and the brightness of the lights. And so I felt this was the perfect opportunity to do so. But this was so simple, and it is making me feel so much better seeing these and the way they clean up those nasty cut holes. So enjoy the rest of the video. Let me tell you something. Those tension clips inside these lights, if you do not push on them when trying to take them out and hold it down and pull it out, they will snap back on your finger. And if you know how it feels to stub your toe, imagine your finger feeling that way. It hurts so bad.
Okay guys, I did this in the middle of doing my room. So my protector's dry. I'm getting ready to finish my room, and they're all done. So I'm gonna show you the lights on. I pushed that one the wrong way. I pushed it all the way to white. You can see the difference. Hold on. See the soft white and see that one? You can see the difference. So yeah, I gotta push that one too. The reason why is because I have this as a bright white light, and so when I cut this off, I can have that. I don't need that if I want it bright white, but I want it softer. So let me change, and this changes too. So let me, yeah, Let me change that one. Let me change that one. Let me cut this light off and then cut these on and see they're much softer. So yeah, I like the softer light. So that is how you put the Goof whole things up. Let me cut the lights off so you can see how you can't see any of them anymore. And it makes it look more cleaner, more modern, like a different type of recessed light. And yeah, let me show it with the lights on. So I did all 4 of these. It took me less than like 10 minutes to do them. So guys, this is something, if you have some issues with somebody not cutting your lights right, yeah, get you some of these. Get you some of these. Oh, I love how it looks in here. And let's see how it looks when it dims. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this was helpful to you and save you some coins instead of getting someone to come out to mud and do all that stuff, tape around it to make the hole smaller. Just grab you some recessed goof rings, and that's it. All right, let me get my room together. Later, kiddos.